Hi guys, today I'm going to show you conversion between kilometers to meters and meters to kilometers. Okay, so because there are 1,000 meters in a kilometer, when we need to change, so convert kilometers to meters, we need to times by 1,000. So in the previous videos I said to you, if you are timesing by 10, all you do is you add a 0 to the end of the number. Timesing by 100, add 2 zeros to the end of the number. If you times by 1,000, you now are going to add 3 zeros to the number. So luckily this one is pretty easy. If I've got 254 kilometers, okay, changing it into meters, I write down again, stick to my numbers, 254, they don't change, and I'll add 1, 2, 3 zeros on. So that means 254 kilometers is 254,000 meters. Okay, same with if I've just got 2 kilometers. 2 kilometers, I write down my 2, it doesn't change, and I add my 3 zeros on. So now I know 2 kilometers equals 2,000 meters. Let's do 13. Got 13 kilometers. I need to add on my 3 zeros, so I write down 13 and 1, 2, 3, and I've got 13 kilometers equals 13,000 meters. Right, now, okay, if I'm converting meters to kilometers, I've said here we need to divide by 1,000. So, like I said to you in class, this one, if you've got 3 zeros, you cancel out the 3 zeros. So say for example we've got 12,000 meters that we want to convert to kilometers. I look again, I've got 3 zeros and I cancel out 1, 2, 3 zeros, and I'm left with 12, and that is my amount of kilometers. Okay, but again, if I get stuck where I've got 1, 3, 2, 5 meters, okay, I've got 1,325 meters. Remember I said to you that we need to hop the same amount of times as we've got zeros. So we've got 3 zeros here. I start from the end of the number and I hop 3 times. I go 1, 2, 3. So anything that's in front of the hop is my kilometers. And anything that's in the hop that I had to hop over is my meters that are left over. So same again with, let's do 73, 4, 5, 6 meters. Okay, again, start from the end of the number and I hop 1, 2, 3 times. Anything that's before the hop, 73 is my kilometers. And anything that I had to hop over is the amount of meters that are left over, 4, 5, 6 meters. Okay, so if you have a number that looks like this, 6, 2, 5. Okay, I've got 625 meters, and I want you to tell me how many kilometers and meters there are. So again, go from the end of the number and I hop 3 times. So I go 1, 2, 3. And I've said to you before that everything in front of the hops or to the left of the hops, that is your kilometers. Now, clearly there's nothing here, and if there is nothing here, that actually means it's a 0. So I put 0 kilometers, and I've got 625 meters left over. Right, and it works the same way with pretty much anything. If you've got something like centimeters to meters, okay, remember centimeters to meters, I need to divide by 100. So I've got 2 zeros. If I've got 92 centimeters and I need to hop twice, I start from the end of the number and I go 1, 2. Remember, anything to the left of the hop or everything in front of the hop is your meters now. So again, I've got nothing here, and nothing is also known as 0. So I've got 0 meters and 92 centimeters left. Okay, so previously I did say to you this will never be greater than 100. It will never be bigger, because look here now, as soon as you go 100 centimeters, again we have to hop over twice. So I go 1, 2, and everything in front of my hop is a meter, so 1 meter and 0 centimeters. Remember, if you've got 0, so even though there's a double 0 here, you don't need to put both of them in. 0 is 0, whether it's 1 0 that's there or whether it's 5,000 zeros there, unless it comes after a number. So when it's like this, obviously it makes a difference, but when zeros are just standing on their own like this, if it's 1 0, if it's 5,000 zeros, it's still 0. If I've got 0 sweets, I've got 0 sweets. I can't change it just by adding more zeros to the end. Okay, I hope this has helped, guys, and I will find something else to help with soon. Yes, have a wonderful day.